show you what we eat in a day on a budget. There's like a huge misconception that you need to spend a lot of money to be healthy, like juice cleanses. But if you eat simply, you can actually save money. It's actually a really inexpensive and tasty, delicious, satisfying way to eat. And healthy. So for breakfast, we're having our oatmeal. How much does this cost us each? I'm gonna put the price like in the corner somewhere of each of the foods so you guys can see the total. And what we've noticed is fruit tends to be a little bit more expensive. So if you don't eat as much fruit, you can actually save even more money. You just have to eat more of your starch. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like what I eat in a day, and let's get into the video.
For today's video, we've partnered up with Thrive Market. We just got our box sent to our door. Thrive Market is an online store and you can get different groceries, supplements, vitamins, beauty stuff, and it's all at a really good price. All of the food that we're gonna be making is going to be from Thrive Market. So we're going to show you guys what we got. Another fun fact is all the packaging is made out of recycled materials. And Thrive Market is one of the only stores that sells exclusively non-GMO. We got 2 things of oatmeal, a thing of brown rice, some organic green lentils, maple syrup, oil-free broth, organic black beans, organic red lentils, 2 cans of fire-roasted tomatoes, and some ketchup. All right, let's get cooking. If you guys want to shop with Thrive Market, you can get 25% off your first order plus a free 30-day trial. So we're gonna leave it linked in the description. This recipe is so easy and so delicious. It's called the Quickie Cauliflower Curry. I love me some Indian food. This recipe is from our book on page 219. I'll leave the book in the description so you can check that out if you want more recipes, but let's get into this one. Here I have an Instant Pot and I'm gonna put all my ingredients in the Instant Pot. I rinsed these red lentils. This is 1.5 cup of rinsed red lentils. I'm gonna add that. Yes, I love fiber. The quicker it passes through you, the healthier you're gonna be. This is 1 head of cauliflower chopped up. Thank you, Randa, for chopping that. 1 chopped onion. I'm just kidding. Reminds me of my relationships. You know, I read in a book that you're not supposed to do like self-deprecating humor. But that's like the only self-deprecating humor I have. It's about relationships, so that's okay, right, Randa? Mm-hmm. Okay. 1 can of fire-roasted tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of curry powder, and this curry powder smells incredible. I feel like you can get cheap spices, or you can spend a little bit more money because you're not gonna use all this all the time. But Thrive Market, we got a really good deal on this curry powder, and it smells incredible. A 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. Now I'm gonna add in 4 cups of water. And that is it. It's really that simple, and I wish you could smell it, guys. Okay, and we're setting it to 25 minutes. We love Instant Pots. We actually have 3. That means it's working. Okay. Usually at the same time we have some brown rice or some white rice or some beans cooking up. And we really wanted to give you guys recipes that were easy, affordable, and healthy, and also tasty, of course. So we're really proud of the fact that we were able to create that for our book. So I've pre-made our burger mix, and I used all the ingredients from Thrive Market. This recipe is from our book, and now I'm gonna make them into little patties and then chill them, and then we're gonna have burgers for dinner. Yes! So to make 8 burgers, it cost us $2.43, making only 1 burger cost 30 cents. So with the bun, we'll figure out, we're gonna calculate exactly how much it is, but you can see how cheap it is to eat this way, and super healthy and filling and good. It's been 25 minutes and now it's ready. Oh my gosh, that smells so good.
Can you mix it up?
Ooh, get it with some rice. So this whole pot of curry that we made is only $4, and there's no way we're gonna finish that in a day. I mean, I guess we could. Ooh, I'm stoked. So Nina's making another bowl. This total meal, including the first bowl, is only 40 cents. 40 cents, wow. It's so much cheaper than fast food. Snacking on some delicious sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are only 79 cents, so this is a cheap meal.
Ooh, don't we look good together?
Here we are. We're at the beach, my friends.
Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you all. When I walk with you, I first the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play.
Check this out, grilling up my burger. My cute little burger. Put some ketchup and lettuce and some sauerkraut on there.
So this bean burger recipe was from our book, The Clear Skin Diet. If you want to check out more recipes and you want to check out our book, we'll leave it linked in the description. Also, don't forget to check out Thrive. We'll also leave that link down below. We love shopping with them. Our total of what we each spent in a day was $3.13. Which is so cheap. We didn't even try to spend as little money as possible. You could easily be healthy vegan on less than $5 a day, and yeah, I've seen people do it for like less than $1 a day. I think the things that get expensive is like, you know, like the $15 acai bowls when people go on vacation, or kombuchas. I mean, I love kombuchas, don't get me wrong, but I think those are the things that make it more expensive. So you can be healthy on a budget for sure. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like what I eat in a day, and we will see you next video. Bye!